A lot of y'all are sitting by waiting on Captain Save a Rapper to come and scoop you up out your hood and turn you into the next biggest thing. Is it just me, or is everybody a rapper nowadays? I mean, everybody. Oh man, let me give you some tips. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from Wavy.com. And if you don't know yet, this channel is all about helping you to record and mix better and faster and apparently boost your rap career. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, drop down in the comments and just say, what's up, Wavy, man? And I'll get back to you, man. So today's video is actually a pretty fun topic. It's a dope topic, something that I get asked all the time by rappers because a lot of my clients are rappers and they want to know my advice, my insight on how to succeed in the music industry, how to boost their careers, especially in this climate that we're in right now. So I sat back, I thought of a few little topics that I'll share with y'all today. And if you like to hear them, here you go. First and foremost, one of the main things that I want to express to y'all about boosting your rap career, your music career, any career in general, is don't look to blow up. I always believe very heavily in a scalable model, meaning that you can start small and build it up, right? A lot of y'all are sitting by waiting on Captain Save a Rapper to come and scoop you up out your hood and turn you into the next biggest thing. That is just not gonna happen for most of y'all, man. That's like less than 1% of the time that's happening, and I doubt that's really going on anymore. Captain Save a Rapper is not gonna swoop down and save you. So what you need to do is save yourself. How can you do that? By starting out to realize what success looks like, or redefining what success could look like for you as a rapper or a musician of any type. And scaling really fixes that. Like, I use this analogy all the time. If you're working a job, you're getting paid $15 an hour, you know, or whatever, you making $2,000 a month from going to your job. What if you could replace that income with music? Would you call that a success? If you could make $15 an hour for 8 hours a day by doing what you love, would you call that a success? Well, if so, maybe you can be a successful rapper by busking, by getting a speaker and standing out on the street corner and having people drop dollars into a hat, right? You can probably make a couple $100 that day by doing that. And would you call it a success if you can pay your rent, your car note, and eat off of that musical talent? I would. See, so what you need to do is start to redefine what success is. Think about scaling and think about, okay, let me just make enough impact with my music and money to replace one thing. Maybe I can buy myself a cup of tea today off my music. Small success, small wins, and you can start setting yourself up for bigger successes, right? So if we can get 10 people to come out and pay to see us at a show, right? Maybe they paid $10 each, and then we made $100 off of our music, right? Getting paid off of your own creativity is success. So keep that in mind and then start to scale that success, and please stop waiting for Captain Save a Rapper to come and save you, because it just ain't gonna happen. My next tip on how to boost your rap career is something that you probably didn't think of, and that's to start a YouTube channel. Now, hear me out, right? Yes, you got a YouTube channel where you posting your music videos, but if we look at the climate of hip hop today, there are a few rappers who became successful rappers after gaining success in other areas, which is why my mixtape is about to drop. Maybe. Y'all let me know if y'all want that Wavy mixtape to drop. But in all seriously, man, one of my favorite new artists right now is DDG. DDG just started rapping in 2017, got a record deal in 2018, has gold records and some of the biggest songs that are playing right now. You ain't hip to DDG, man, you need to get hip. But basically started off as a YouTuber, and now he's a signed rap artist because he grew his fame from YouTube already, right? Which is another thing that can help you, is by having that money, right? So a side note is get your money up in another way and you can pay your way onto the field. But then you got other artists that have crossed over, like Drake, started off doing Degrassi. And now he's literally the biggest rapper in the game. And I'm sure there are many others that you can think of where people have started off in one industry, made notoriety from themselves, and transitioned into the music industry and were successful because of that. So another way that you could tap in and boost your career is to become successful in another field first. Gain notoriety, and it could be just as simple as you making daily vlogs on YouTube and getting people to love you for a person and love interacting with you, and that will follow over and translate into the success of your music. So that's a great little way to really break off into this industry, is to already have success in another industry and having those people and fans who believe in you follow you over into your musical journey. I know a lot of y'all gonna laugh at this, but a gimmick, man. You might need a gimmick to have a successful rap career in 2021, man. I mean, we got Lil Nas X out here with the pink cowboy hat. We got Lil Baby walking around with diapers on. You got all kind of people out here just flexing, being funny, doing all kind of stuff. We got comedians turned rappers. So a gimmick, a trick, some type of show, a persona that you're putting on can help to set you apart from the pack. Now, yes, we are past those days where it's just the cool, tough guy and you making it just because you the hardest dude on your block. Like, that ain't gonna really cut it, man. You gotta really know how to act and engage and be a character, be a persona that people want to follow, they want to see. And that is really going to help you to stand out and get notoriety and be memorable, right? So many of y'all have good songs, but they're just not memorable. What can you add to that cake to make it memorable, something that you've never experienced before? So I ain't telling you to go put a diaper on and walk down the street, but maybe you need to put a diaper on and walk down the street. This next tip on boosting your rap career is gonna come from more of the creation side, okay? This music industry nowadays is so much melody driven. Everything is melody driven. So when you are in the studio listening to your YouTube beats and thinking about the lyrics that you wanna come up with, I advise you to create melodies first, right? Even if just humming something out, a little gibberish, right? The melodies, the cadence of what you're saying is way more important than what you're actually saying. Believe me, the melody and cadence should come first. So when you hear a beat, think of a fire melody that you can flow to that beat. And then after you get that melody down, oftentimes like when I'm working with Lydia or working by myself on a song or with different artists, we'll record just gibberish, right? And then it's all about that melody. Then we can come back, sit down and think about how lyrics can fit to that melody, because ultimately that's what people are gonna remember. That's what they're gonna hear first, is the melody, the cadence of your delivery. So make sure that you take time to first deliver melodies, write dope melodies to your beats, and then think about the lyrics, man. And the song is just gonna come out a whole lot better. And I've said this before too, is that you really gotta get out of your head that you can one take a performance, right? That's not the case for most people. That just ain't the case for about 99% of y'all, man. We need to use the tools that we have to perfect the sound, whether that means punching in certain lyrics because of the way that you deliver the word, if that means getting in and actually having your engineer edit and nudge stuff back or forward to get the right timing of the delivery. That is a thing that can be done too. So many people do that, and especially when you're rapping and rapping fast on a beat, you want your stuff to be in time. Now, a lot of y'all are getting away with this offbeat rap, but I don't know how many blue faces we can take no more, okay? You're making me sick in the face, blue in the face with all the blue face rap. So get your timing right, get your performance right, get your melodies right. That is just going to save you. And another thing that I'll just add on top of that, since we're here right now, you need to make sure that you have great recordings and great mixes. You can get great recordings at home. If you watch my channel and you follow some of the tips and tricks that I give you on capturing great vocals, you can then send that off to a professional mix engineer like myself, which my mixing calendar just actually opened back up, you can send that off and get a professional mix and master. That's gonna immediately set you apart from everybody else who's just trying to be cheap and do it on their own. Right now, you can achieve great things on your own, but working with the industry professionals who have worked on high-level records already, they know what it takes to get that sound, and it can save you a lot of time and frustration from, you know, feeling like you have to be the best rapper, and then now you gotta be the best engineer and the best master, and then you gotta focus on marketing and everything else, right? Get you a team of people that can do what they're good at doing so that you can focus on doing what you are good at doing. My next tip is going to be to create direct communications with your audience, with your fans. Now that means that you need to be capturing email addresses when people come out to shows. You need to have their phone numbers. You need to be in constant contact with your audience. Keep them updated. Yes, we have all this social media stuff, but we don't really own that, right? But if you have email addresses, you can target your audience in a totally different way. The same thing with phone numbers. If you have your fans' phone numbers, you can send them texts and engage with them much more personally than you just posting a pic or a video to the whole world on your Instagram and hoping that they react to it. You can be a whole lot more personable, and having those connections will really make your community much tighter. And you know, you ultimately want to create that cult-like following to where people are going to follow you and like whatever it is that you do and support you no matter where you go with it. So having that personal contact, emails, phone numbers, having an email list of all the people who actually like and interact with your music, your product, that's worth way more than the followers that you may have online. I just want you to remember that you are a content creator. Just like I'm a content creator making YouTube videos, making posts on Instagram, whatever it is, your content is your music. You have to constantly be creating content. You have to constantly be engaging your audience. Don't let them forget about you. Stay in front of their face. Put the content first. So the content needs to be high quality content. There needs to be value in the content that makes the people want to consume it, makes them want to share it, makes them want to come back for more. Like I hope you will by hitting subscribe on this video and hitting the like button as well, all right? So those are a few ideas that I have for helping you to boost your rap or musical career in 2021. Drop down in the comments, let me know the ones that I've missed, let me know what's been working for you, and if you've already been trying some of these things and it just ain't working at all, I wanna know that too. I'm Wavy Wayne from wavywayne.com. Check out the website where you can get my custom recording and mixing templates, pair of Wavy headphones, and other tools and knowledge to help you to record and mix better and faster. Also, my mixing calendar just opened back up, like I said, so I'm happy to work with you, and I'll be looking forward to checking out some of your mixes in the future. Be dope.